Hey there, gearheads! Ready to power up your toolbox with the ultimate air impact wrenches of the year? We're diving deep into the top 5 heavy hitters, guaranteed to revolutionize your DIY game. Kicking off the lineup is the torque monster, delivering unparalleled power to bust through any nut or bolt. Next up, the precision player that's all about finesse without sacrificing muscle. And don't sleep on the compact dynamo, a lightweight champ that punches above its weight. We've sifted through the noise to bring you the real contenders, so buckle up for a ride through the best and top 5 air impact wrenches of the year. Ingersoll Rand 231C1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with difficult bolts, losing precious time with a lot of bolts to tighten, I've got something that might just change the game for you. Picture this: the Ingersoll Rand 231C1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench, a dominating force in the world of air impact wrenches. It's the kind of tool that doesn't just loosen tight bolts, it practically obliterates them. What makes the Ingersoll Rand 231C the best among the best? Well, for starters, it boasts a max torque output of a whopping 600 feet lbs, ensuring it can handle almost any bolt that dares to be stubborn or stuck on. And if you're worried about adjusting the power, fear not. The adjustable power and twin hammer design provides steady pressure, making your toughest jobs feel like a breeze. Now, I know what you're thinking: with power like that, it must be noisy, right? True, it's not the quietest tool in the shed, clocking in at 99 decibels. But let's face it, when you're wielding a powerful model like the 231C, who cares about a little noise? It's the trade-off for having one of the best half-inch air impact wrenches on the market. Weighing in at 6.4 pounds, it's not the lightest, but it keeps you safe in the toughest work environments. Breaks prematurely? Uncomfortable vibration? Not with the Ingersoll Rand 231C. This heavy-duty impact wrench has earned its #1 position in reviews, and for good reason. So, if you want to speed up your job, get your hands on the Ingersoll Rand 231C and feel the power. KARIMO Impact Wrench 1/2-inch Cordless. If you're on the hunt for the best air impact wrench that won't tie you down with cords, let me introduce you to the KARIMO Impact Wrench 1/2-inch Cordless. This cordless impact wrench kit packs a punch with its high-torque impact driver, boasting a whopping 350 feet lbs for lightning-fast tightening action. Picture this: you've got a tough job, lug nuts that won't budge, and you need a reliable companion. That's where the KARIMO Impact Wrench steps in, giving you the power you need with its 2 speed modes and advanced braking system. Whether you're dealing with a larger model or your everyday lug nuts, this wrench is the best choice. Now, let's talk materials. Crafted from sturdy metal, this impact gun means business. It's not just about power, it's about durability too. And speaking of power, the brushless motor in the KARIMO Impact Wrench wears less, ensuring a longer lifespan for your trusty tool. What's even better? The whole package includes 7 sockets, providing you with options for every job. Worried about low power? Fear not. The 20 volts 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery ensures you have the juice you need. Plus, at just 3.9 pounds, this impact wrench is lightweight, making it a breeze to handle. Oh, and did I mention the built-in LED light? Say goodbye to working in the dark. So, if you're after the best air impact wrench that combines power, durability, and convenience, the KARIMO Impact Wrench is your go-to choice. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your toolkit today. AIRCAT Pneumatic Tools 1150.5-inch Drive Impact Wrench. This electric corded marvel is not just an ordinary tool, it's a game-changer in the world of impact wrenches. Imagine a tool that combines killer torque with a sleek composite design, creating an impact wrench that means business. Crafted from high-quality metal, this impact wrench is built for professional use, and its medium size ensures that it's the perfect fit for a wide range of applications. At just 7.5 inches in length and weighing in at a mere 4.5 pounds, this tool is a lightweight yet formidable companion for any job. The variable speeds, with a whopping 9,000 RPM, provide the flexibility you need to tackle various tasks with ease. What sets the AIRCAT apart is its 900 feet lbs maximum torque, making it a true powerhouse in the toolbox. The twin hammer mechanism delivers a force that's simply unmatched, and the fixed square head style ensures precision in every movement. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this 1/2-inch impact wrench is a must-have. But it's not just about power, it's about user comfort too. With a noise level of 89 dBA, the AIRCAT ensures a quiet yet powerful operation. The powder-coated metal finish adds a touch of durability, making it clear that this tool is designed to withstand the toughest challenges. In conclusion, the AIRCAT Pneumatic Tool's 1150.5-inch drive is more than just an impact wrench. It's a reliable companion for anyone serious about getting the job done efficiently. Experience the ultimate comfort and performance, a tool that speaks volumes with every turn. Vore Air Impact Wrench 1/2 Drive Air Impact Gun. Hey there, gearheads and DIY enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the world of pneumatic power with the Vore Air Impact Wrench. This bad boy is not just your average tool, it's a game changer for all your auto repairs and maintenance projects. Picture this. You're in your workshop, surrounded by the sweet hum of high-efficiency machinery. Enter the Vore 1/2 Drive Air Impact Gun, boasting an impressive 880 feet lbs nut-busting torque. Yeah, you heard that right, 880. It's a trusty companion for beginners and seasoned DIYers alike, giving you repeatable results with precision that'll make your jaw drop. Now, let's talk speed. With a rotational speed of 7,500 RPM and a lightweight pneumatic design weighing only 5.9 pounds, this tool is a heavyweight champion in a compact and lightweight package. It's like having a superhero in your toolbox, always ready for action. But wait, there's more. The twin hammer impact mechanism ensures extreme levels of torque changes, making it the perfect match for both light-duty auto repair shops and home repairs. Loosening bolts and nuts? Child's play for this air-powered wonder. Speaking of wonder, the corded 220 volts power management regulator adds a touch of magic to your DIY creations. The aluminum body not only gives it a sleek look but also enhances its reliability in any workshop scenario. Hold on to your hats, folks. The Vore Air Impact Wrench is not just a tool, it's a DIY project's best friend. So, whether you're revamping your ride or tackling a new project, make this impact wrench your go-to choice. Your workshop deserves it. Ingersoll Rand 2235 Timax 1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench. Alright, folks, let's dive into the exciting world of the best air impact wrenches, the unsung heroes of any DIY project or workshop. Picture this. You've got a challenging DIY creation or a stubborn nut that needs busting, and you're armed with the ultimate tool, the 1/2 Drive Air Impact Wrench. Now, that's a game changer right there. This bad boy brings a whopping 1,350 feet lbs nut-busting torque to the table, making it your go-to for tackling the toughest bolts with ease. The standard anvil and pneumatic operation mode, along with a high-efficiency twin hammer impact mechanism, make it a trusty companion for both seasoned craftsmen and beginners alike. Imagine getting repeatable results, every single time. Crafted from titanium, weighing in at just 4 pounds, it's a lightweight powerhouse ready to handle the toughest applications in your workshop. The 98 dBe low noise ensures you can work without disturbing the neighborhood. And let's talk about the precision and reliability. It's like having a precision instrument in your hands with a pistol grip and a forward, reverse push-button control. Now, let's name drop the Ingersoll Rand 2235 Timax 0. This one's the top-tier choice in the vehicle repair industry. With a titanium hammer case, it takes durability to the next level. This air impact wrench is not just a tool, it's a statement. It's power, precision, and durability all rolled into one. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this wrench is your ticket to making every project a masterpiece.